Zambi is a dangerous creature which no one individual should too soon profess to comprehend, as to recklessly twirl around as with a personal pedant. In its wake lie the shores of many who too soon bequeathed themselves powers they could not handle. Tsarapinda mashoko atinoatemba mulisa uye achikomenda panhau iri kutsviridza ayo pari kuona wanzi panenge pari kuitika mafights between the two people Tagore naTungwarara. Don't subscribe or like on the bell icon. Mulisa unoya achitaura nhau yake achiti Tungwarara is a cherished confidant with whom I engage in candid dialogue, making it all the more disconcerting to witness how he has become ensnared and manipulated by the machinations of VP Chiwenga faction. The recent gathering in Maliganet, featuring the unusual presence of Muchangwa, who conspicuously neglects his own events in Mashonaland West, served as a blatant Tagore character assassination exercise. Beneath the veneer of platitudes towards the party and the president was a transparent conspiracy designed to belittle and undermine Tagore, who is perceived as the formidable competitor to Vice President Constantino Chiwenga. That faction has already been corralling some old heroes and some young and giddy horses for its game. It's known how Monica Muchangwa is the carrot of a female VP dangled for her with Obet Mpofu, the other VP. Chinoma Chakaire with youth and Chinomona with women are some of the party functionaries who are nicodemously selling out the party and undermining the leader, ED, in a scheme designed to thwart all perceived rivals, including Tagore, with the likes of Chris, who has years of scheming and chasing after power. My friend, Tungwarara becomes a victim whose innocent and juvenile excitement is bubbling forth that may choke him one day. It's said, my brother, seeing you hijacked by power-hungry vultures. Ndoma shukanobuda itoko panapa aiwa nemukomana Temba Mliso achicriticize aiwa the gathering ye-empowerment yakaitwa kumaNagaland achiataka vana Paul Tungwarara. Panapa tundu mwanopinda wachikomenda achiti Temba a hyena now accusing its offspring for smelling like goats. We know Kuda pays more but Tungwarara ndewe kwenyu. Umwe akati ndine advisor, umwe akati ndine nhamo yapera, saka mukuru ndiani? Mwanopinda wachiti mausiku shamwari, you can't sleep thinking about VP Chiwenga. Pedzeranai imi Zvigananda. VP have nothing to do with this. Don't give him some team. Team yenyu iyi Zvigananda. The real team for VP Chiwenga is the masses. Povo. They will rise when the time is up to fight Zvigananda. Ndo mashoko anoyachitauka panguva ine achioneswa vakomana vana muliso. Pinda kumesection medu zvafungira aimotodiwa pamusoro pechitiko ichi. So subscribe or like, hit on the bell icon.